Say assembly nkwa aka na oye a. I was saying to me born about so dey. Je born na ejuma dey. Ekoso. The so bit na no ka say assembly dey here wa hanoma. I think say basically no nipa ko no wan shada and nhwini as an okasa asem.
Nti asem way. I want to ask because sometimes me when say on say asem kofo bebre en shada mpe papa na asem. Nti the odi pe bia nye ni perfect. Ono an mpe fe say ade we ebitimi aboa me. But ebia not liking the man and I say on pep nipa na asem nti. Ade bi obey bia enye ne fe. Nhunu sa
Won pe ma asem an family. And I begin say also ya obi pe asem a en shada mfa won sa. Ise nipa ko na ma obi di. And I bisa. E ba paso a on sha ase no obi eli o no ma kuma ni ska say jifaye. Ono an libutum ska we dey o de sha ase. Is obi pe na asem a me gini say eno na ebesi bibi won kwan. So won pe no asem a she wu. Open na ni tell open asem. But open asem open asem a. I was say you share bigger picture say I know you know why na ekoko e ba bebo. Me know.
of course.
And you know first now say focus. Say obi pen asem so obi pen asem. E no dey nipa ko no e no asem. But nyama no ye no ekoko a e be bo a me ni sa nipa ko na